Beautiful large one bedroom and flushing entrance. On the left is the closet. It's the living room, a large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings. It's got a lot of light during the day. On the right side, on the double door closet here. Beautiful kitchen, got a lot of cabinets. It's got dishwasher, beautiful floors. Comes with a fridge and stove. A lot of cabinets. More cabinets here. On the right, it's a linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Beautiful tiles. On the left is the bedroom here. A large bedroom. Has its own closet, double door closet. And you can fit a king size bed. Beautiful apartment, very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video and have a wonderful day.